Hey, thank you for joining my channel again. This is yet another unboxing video for Jeep parts. This is gonna be for my Gladiator Rubicon. This is gonna be just some really quick little video of me unboxing my KC windshield A-pillar mounts so I can put some pods. So I don't know what I'm doing with my hands again. With pods on my Jeep. So it'll be super quick. Take a look. I think KC is probably the nicest mounts I've seen out there. They were pricey though for just metal. But you know what? I only want to buy them once. I wanted it to look nice, but I wanted it to be functional. I love how they kind of go like this and then they go up. A lot of the ones I've seen are flat, which when the bolt goes in, it gets really close to the paint. And also on my JK, my last Jeep, like you get rust. Sometimes the rust comes down. Anyways, I just want to make sure that I bought these so they're high up and they're kind of away from my paint on my Gladiator. And also so they're functional. You want a good mount so you can actually move the, what am I doing with my hands again? So you can move these mounts, right? So the ditch lights, whether you want to go off the side, see the ditches, or you want them straight up. Did I say ditches or bitches? I'm not sure. So you want to see straight out. What am I, this video should be called Not to Do Things With Your Hands.
We're real happy with what was going on, and at the end of the day, you know, you got to be happy.
Anyways, without further ado, let's open this box up. Let's see what you get in the box, and let's see if it was worth the money. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. All right, let's open up this this little package of KC A-pillar mounts for my Jeep Rubicon Gladiator. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. I have to invest some money, I think, in a way cooler knife. Okay. All right, a box within a box. Those are the best. Those are the funnest. Okay. So there we go. That's what we got in the box. These are the KC, looks like 7318 Jeep JL bracket. Of course, that'll fit a JT as well. Let's open up this guy and see what we got inside. Oh, okay. The sticker is not sticker. That's not a good sign, but let's hope it's just. Let's hope it's nothing. Okay. All right, there's one. There's two, and there is the hardware. Oh, cool. We got like a sticker and some instructions. That's cool. All right, so everything out of the box here, it's really nice. So here's your, that's how it's gonna sit. So that's your passenger side right there. Right, really nice. I mean, I would have liked a bit better of a paint job. If you look really close, there's lots of splattering on the metal there. Some spots where it's not totally covered. And for like 100 and change, you know, these are expensive. Like, look at this. I might actually hit, look at that, it's chipped. I might have, oops, now you can see it's chipped right there. I might have to like spray paint these before I even put them on. That's crazy. And here's the driver's side, right? So it goes on like this. Again, a little chip there. Oh, actually, no, it's just that. Okay. This one looks much better. This one has no chipping on it, which is nice. All right, so driver's side, good. Passenger side, not so good. But what I do like is the hardware. The hardware here, so when I ordered these off Amazon, it showed these two spacers being like metal, like a metal color. These are actually painted black, which is way nicer. They look much nicer. So that's more of a newer thing that Casey's been doing. I was reading that they used to come silver and now they come black. Yeah, so there we go. So I can't wait to get these installed on my Rubicon Gladiator and then get those new pod lights that I bought hooked up on here, those aux beam ones, get them hooked onto here because I couldn't afford the KC ones. But we'll get this hooked up and we'll see what that video looks like coming up. But meantime, this is my unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Look out for more of my horrible videos and like and subscribe if you want to see more of my horrible videos. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day.